Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Sometimes you can double your money on the same event by trading two different setups. Let me show you what I mean. The 10-year bond auction is one of our regular events. We trade it every month. Our orders are put on the chart for the ZB futures. We're trading the bond futures, and we're also doing another setup where we're putting orders on the chart for the YM futures. Two setups in one event. That means we can double our money, lose double the amount of money, or make somewhere in between. So the price is going to burst down, and our bond trade is going to make an immediate almost $300 instantly. There it goes, the bonds, almost $300 in a nanosecond, less than a second. And then the YM exploded down, and we had a $140 profit in the same amount of time. So we had a bond setup, which was profitable, and we had a YM setup, which was profitable. Two for the price of one. The 10-year auction, that is our trade of the week because we made almost double the money in one event. You can't cry in a corner when you make more than you want to on a trade. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. We want to teach you how to do this. So come into our trade room, join up with us, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care, everyone. This week's Trade of the Week, the 10-year bond auction.